Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily mute the soundboard completely on Discord. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and we're gonna go and join a voice channel. Once you do that, you want to open the soundboard up, and here you have the soundboard volume, so you have to click on it and change it to 0. Now as you guys can see, it is muted, and that's basically how you guys can do it. So it's all just that slider right here, and if you see an X close to your speaker, that means it's done correctly. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.